guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eliana. Some people just call me Anna or Lo or something like that. So welcome. This is my first video ever. Well, not ever, it's just the first one I'm actually posting. And I'm sharing with you guys these new clip-ins that I literally just got. No, this is not my hair. These are clip-ins and I'm going to tell you all about them. I'm honestly not in love, but I think for the price and for just the overall quality, I'm feeling it. So let's get into it. Okay, so these clip-ins are from Amazon and they're called GEELOOK clip-in hair extensions. And I got the 18 inches, which is only 70 grams, so it's nothing amazing. It's not even 10A grade hair, it's 7A quality. And this color is actually chocolate brown. They call this a 4. I thought it would be a little bit darker, which is totally fine because I do like the contrast where I can kind of blend my hair with this hair. However, I probably would have gotten a little bit of a darker color just to really get it to blend. Sorry, I really don't even have any makeup on my face. I look crazy. But that is this. I'm gonna put a link in the bottom of this video just so you guys have that. And I bought 2 packs of the clip-ins. They came straight and I just put a little curl to them with my flat iron. And the bags that they came in, I'll show you those. Okay, so they came in these little bags, really just simple plastic bag. And then, oh God, it's looking crazy. And then they came with this little, you know, marketing brand tool thing here and a little keychain. So that's everything that came in the bag. The wefts, I can show you those. The wefts are pretty nice, honestly. I'm actually a pretty big fan of them. The quality of them I think is really good and they have a really strong hold. And this is the hair. It's really high quality hair. It's just thin. That's my only thing. I would say when my hair is curly, I'll put a picture in here. My hair is probably like a 3C 4A curl type, so it gets pretty thick when I straighten it. But I just think these are so cute. I just did like a really quick half up, half down style, nothing crazy. And I just think it looks really good. So I wanted to share this with you if you're thinking about getting the GEELOOK, the GEELOOK clip-ins. I think they're so cute. I would suggest getting 2 packs if you have a little bit of thicker hair. And this is the 18 inch. It goes pretty much down to my mid back. So that's kind of how long the 18 inches if you layer it. But they're light and they're airy and they're super cute. So definitely try them. Let me know once you get them. Tag me in like a little video or something. Let me know. And thanks for watching. Peace.